Alright, so this is the brand spanking new Gravely that I just picked up. I believe it is a 546. I did check it. It does have the K301S engine in it, so it is a 12 horsepower. I picked it up for only $100. Basically, somebody bought an old house. This was in the barn, wanted to get rid of it, but I didn't just get this for $100. I also got the wagon that hitches up to it, a couple extra tires. All of it is obviously in questionable condition. The best part, I did get the snow plow, and all of the extra pieces you see here, as well as the wheelbarrow. Yeah, this is actually in a great condition. I'm super surprised about that, so can't wait to actually get a chance to use it. But yeah, so this is it currently. No battery, or at least the battery that was there is, let's just say, I don't think it's working anytime soon. So of course, tires are flat. The good part, hopefully good part, looks like they at least tried to winterize it. I'm sure you can't really see in there, but check it out. Little to no rust in there. How awesome is that? All right. So we'll see how it all goes. I'm gonna see what I can do about. I might just order a new carb. Just to be honest, it's literally $30. Just get a brand new carb. If anybody knows where I can get a cover for the air filter, that would be awesome. But we'll see how everything goes once I get it started up. Well, anyway, stay tuned later for more. Thanks a lot.